Welcome to my channel Wood Art, where creativity meets nature and simple materials turn into warm stories for your home. And today I want to share, in one flowing conversation, how you can make beautiful driftwood style pieces for home decor even if you don't live near the ocean. Because driftwood is not just wood shaped by water, it is a feeling of calm, time, and natural beauty that you can recreate with patience and imagination. So to begin this journey, you first need to understand what driftwood represents. It is wood that has been softened by water, sun, and movement, losing sharp edges and gaining gentle curves, faded colors, and a smooth, touchable surface. And when we try to make driftwood at home, we are not forcing wood to become something else, we are simply helping it tell a quieter, older story. So start by choosing the right kind of wood. Natural wood branches, old fence pieces, untreated lumber, or fallen tree limbs work best because they already carry some history. And as you bring them home, you should look at them with an artist's eye, noticing their grain, their bends, and their potential, imagining how they might look as wall art, table accents, lamp bases, mirrors, or simple sculptural pieces placed on shelves. And once you have your wood, the first step is cleaning, because driftwood always feels fresh and pure, so remove dirt, bark, and loose debris using water and gentle scrubbing, allowing yourself to slow down and connect with the process, because this is not just a task but part of the transformation. And after cleaning, the wood needs time to dry and rest, just as real driftwood spends time under the sun. And during this stage you can already see how the surface changes, how colors soften, and textures appear. And if the wood still feels too rough or sharp, you can gently smooth it by hand, following the natural lines rather than fighting them. Because driftwood is never perfect or symmetrical, and that is its beauty.